What if I told you you're not behind, you're not broken, you're just misaligned? Too many people wake up every day with a sinking feeling that life is passing them by, that they've missed their chance, that they're too old, too late, too lost. But the truth is, life isn't a straight line. It's not about being on track. It's about finding your own track and owning it. So let's talk about how to rebuild your life. Starting now, not next year, not when things settle, but right now. Step 1. Pause to audit your inner world. Before chasing goals, check your direction. Are you moving towards something that truly matters or just away from discomfort? Most people set goals based on fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of not being enough. That's not strategy, that's survival. You don't need a bigger to-do list. You need a better why. Ask yourself, if I wasn't afraid, what would I do differently today? Step 2. Declutter the noise. In a world flooded with information, clarity becomes power. Unfollow accounts that drain your energy. Stop listening to people who don't live the life you want. Cut the habits that give you quick comfort but steal long-term peace. This includes mindless scrolling, toxic comparisons, and saying yes when you mean no. Rebuilding your life requires protecting your mental bandwidth like gold. Because guess what? Energy flows where attention goes. And where your energy flows, that becomes your life. Step 3. Reconnect with your future self. Close your eyes and imagine the version of you 5 years from now. Not the perfect version, but the honest one. The one who wakes up with purpose. The one who walks with self-respect. The one who looks in the mirror and smiles, not because everything is perfect, but because they finally stop betraying themselves. Ask, what did that version of me stop doing? What did they start believing? And most importantly, what did they stay consistent with, even when no one clapped? Your future isn't something you wait for. It's something you build with micro decisions, daily, quietly, relentlessly. Step 4. Build your days around discipline, not dopamine. We live in a society addicted to quick highs, likes, notifications, easy wins. But fulfillment lives on the other side of consistency. The gym when you don't feel like it. The reading when no one's watching. The reaching out. The journaling. The early morning routines. Discipline isn't punishment. It's self-respect in action. Remember this. Success isn't owned. It's rented. And rent is due every single day. Final step. Forgive your past, fuel your present, and focus forward. You are not the same person you were a year ago, and that's your power. Stop dragging the weight of old mistakes into your new season. You're allowed to outgrow people, patterns, and even parts of yourself. That's not failure. That's evolution. The question is no longer, can I start over? The real question is, am I brave enough to stop settling? You don't need a perfect plan. You need a strong reason. You don't need a new year. You need a new mindset. So if you're watching this, take this as your sign. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it is faced. Start today, not someday, because your future deserves more than your excuses, and you deserve a life that feels as good on the inside as it looks on the outside. Let's build it, one decision at a time.